In order to support UyghurMan in our endeavors to produce the best content, please consider subscribing to our Patreon. For as low as $3 a month, you will have early access to our content, exclusive posts, Patreon-only content, insider looks behind the scenes of UyghurMan, names included in the credits of each episode, and much more for other tiers, although we urge you to at least get Tier 1. For those who are more generous, we have a Tier 2 and Tier 3, which include everything mentioned in Tier 1 and a few more benefits. By subscribing, you will be helping us move towards this as a full-time job, thereby freeing up our time to focus solely on bringing you the best content. You can find our Patreon at patreon.com/UyghurMan. Also, the link can be found in the description below. Thank you.
What is up, my friends? Yeah, today, before start my day 11s of my workout challenge, I want to show you guys something which is bother me a little bit. Here it is. If you guys remember, check out my episode 38, which is talking about our fighter, one of justice fighter, UyghurMan justice fighter. His name is Abdurghani Uyghur. He's protesting for his relatives, friends, families. 19 of his family member who disappeared under Chinese communist regime. So as you know, he was doing protest on the Netherlands yesterday, and this happened. The Chinese scammer came. Give me a second. Look at this. Here's from this scam. I know this is Chinese mainlander scam, right? Let's see. He tried to step over his protesters. Look at it. He didn't even touch him. He tried to see, after he kept the video, now he will he tried to say he beat him. See, he didn't even touch, but he stepped over his post. See, this is really uncivilized behavior, Look at that. He stepped over. He tried to piss him off. Of course, Abdurghani gonna push him. Don't do that, right? Just to touch him, and he tried to scam him. Look at police, look at that nasty Chinese. Hey, nasty. This is not you mainlander. CCP don't listen to you. CCP cannot protect you if you do scam like that. I mean, you definitely ordered by Chinese communists though. If he's not a member of Chinese Communist Party, he's not regular people don't do that type of shit, right? Look at that. See, look at it one more time. He said, don't do it. They push him and you're like, oh, are you that weak? Are you Chinese that weak, on the CCP? You that weak? Just touch and you were gonna, do you need an ambulance? Mofo. Nasty people under CCP, nasty Chinese mainlander. Those type of people who invaded my land, guys. Those type of people, those type of mainlander invaded my land. We lost our country to those type of nasty people. Always scam, do the fake things every time. Look at that. After he kept the video, he tried to do that again, but it doesn't work, right? Thanks God there's something called video. You can shoot video with your phone nowadays. Look at that. Again, he will step over. Okay. Abdurrahim Ghini brother is a civilized, educated guy, so okay, let him go. Just let the world know what happened. See, again. Oh, look at it. You got injured, huh? Chinese mainlander. Bullshit. That's it, guys. That's all I want to show you guys today. That's pissed me off. Did you see that? And I can find a lot. Hold on. Just Chinese street scam you would see like this. You know, this guy, they pretend to be, you beat them or you hit them. There's a lot. Look at that. That's exactly what they do in China. They try to bring that shit to your country, Netherlands or America or Europe or everywhere. Let's see. This is Chinese scam. Is that same? See, they come to you. They try to cause bicycle. Oh, you got injured. I don't know what kind of methodology or minds he has. Look at that. Scam. That's... She threw her bicycle under the truck. And she lay down there. Tried to show the police later. That truck just hit her. Look at that. So she can make some money. Penalty from that truck. That's how they survive. Fake. Everything fake in China. Even people's mind is become, okay, whatever fake, whatever can survive. That type of mindset. Look at that. That's a 50 years old lady. Chinese mainlander. Only in mainland China. Now they try to do that. They did that a lot to us in East Turkestan, my land. Now they try to bother those protesters. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay, let me start my workout. Guys. Stay tuned.